Hello to all my friends here in Doylestown. I wanted to stop by to see the progress on the town tree this year while Santa is hard at work in the North Pole getting ready for Christmas. A big thanks to our helpers with the Doylestown Fire Company for putting this tree in place and ready to be decorated. This year's 23-foot tall tree is donated by Bountiful Acre and is going to look beautiful with the new wreaths on the historical poles here in Doylestown. While we'll not be gathering here in the town center to light the tree together this year, Santa's elves have been hard at work to find a way for all of us still to be able to enjoy the magic of the tree lighting from wherever you are. We also want you to drop off your letters to Santa at Discover Doylestown's office, Claus Real Estate, or at the Doylestown Bookshop. Santa is going to read your letters live from the North Pole each Wednesday on Discover Doylestown's Facebook. Also, I've recruited some familiar faces from Doylestown to help read holiday stories too. We have a whole schedule up on the Winterfest website for you to look at. Thank you all for helping make Doylestown so beautiful this time of year. We can't wait to come back next year and light the tree with all of you in person. So remember to take care of one another, support your independent businesses here in Doylestown, and wear your masks. Have a Merry Christmas.